Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into another useful video editing skill using HitPaw Edimakor. That is, how to blur or mask parts of your video. Let's get started. First of all, run Edimakor after you have downloaded it on your computer. Click on Create a Video. Now import the video you would like to work on and drag it onto the timeline. To blur a specific part of your video, we'll be using the Stickers feature. Go to the Stickers menu and select Cover. Here you will find a variety of options to choose from. For instance, if you're looking to obscure a face, you can opt for a cartoon profile sticker. Similarly, if there's sensitive information or unwanted elements, you can use a mosaic sticker. For a simple blur, the pure white color sticker works great. Adjust the blur percentage to your liking for a seamless look. To blur the entire video image, you can explore the Effects tab. Here, options like bubble blurring and ethereal realm effects can be selected. Pick the effect that best suits your vision. As you can see, it's easy to blur or mask parts of your video, whether it's a specific area or the entire frame. Give it a try with Edimakor now. Once you're satisfied with your edits, export the video. That's all for today's video blur tips. If you'd like to know any more tips, drop us a comment below. See ya!